The agenda for this video is to guide you through the steps of viewing student analytics in the MindTap Gradebook. MindTap Analytics measures student engagement using an algorithm that's calculated from the number of times a student logs into MindTap, the types and number of activities they access, and the time spent in MindTap. To view the analytics dashboard, you'll want to select the Progress icon from the app dock. When the Progress app opens, it shows you the Gradebook as a default page. You'll need to select the Analytics tab to bring up the Analytics dashboard. By default, the Analytics dashboard will display the engagement level chart. At the bottom of the chart, the Class Averages section displays various calculated averages for the class. The averages include the MindTap score, the time spent in MindTap, the number of logins, and the percentage of activities accessed. Looking at the chart, you'll see gray dots that represent either a single student or a cluster of students. The location of the dot represents the student engagement level. If you click on a dot, a pop-up will display the student's average score and the time spent in MindTap. If certain students have the same engagement level and average score, they may display in a cluster. In that case, clicking a dot will display the details for all students in that particular cluster. You can switch to a different tab by clicking on the Time in Course at the top of the engagement level chart. This page displays a graph of each student's time in MindTap and their average score. Finally, let's look at the percentage of activities accessed. This page will display a graph that shows the percentage of activities a student has accessed. You are also able to select a student from this view to dig into their engagement level in more detail. When I click on a student's name, that student's individual gradebook displays, and at the top of the page, I can view that student's engagement analytics, down to the type of activities the student is spending time with in MindTap.